What is going on, guys? Welcome in today's tutorial on how to buy AXS Axie Infinity on Coinbase. As you can see, I'm already logged into my Coinbase account, and after that we will click on the buy and sell button. Click on it, and now this buying overview will be opened. As you can see, the one-time purchase is selected, and we would like to keep it like that. But if you would like to select another option like a daily, weekly, twice a month or a monthly option, just select it in this list and it will be selected for your purchase. Now we can fill in the amount which we want to use to buy the assets. I would like to use €2, and after that you can select the asset we are going to buy. As you know, we are going to buy AXS Axie Infinity, so tick in AXS, and there the coin will be selected. And now we can select our wallet we would like to use for the payment. I'm using my Euro wallet, as you can see, but if you are using a different currency or living in another country, then you can select the wallet you would like to use for the payment of the coins. If you don't have any option in this list, then you simply can add a payment method by clicking on the button below, and after that it will appear in this list, so you can select it. Now we can click on the review order button, and if you click on it, it will show us some information about the purchase we are going to make. As you can see, I'm buying 0.15 coins and I'm paying €1.01. The Coinbase fee is quite high, it's 99 cents, and the total amount we are spending is the €2 we have filled in the previous overview. They also give an option to invest on a weekly base. Then this amount of €2 will be spent every week at the same moment on this coin, and you can cancel it at any time. For now, I keep it selected on no. And if you would like to buy these coins, you can click on buy now and the coins will be added directly to your Coinbase wallet. Hopefully this video was very helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next Coinbase tutorial. See you guys, bye bye.